Well, temperatures are chilly tonight. We are going to be dropping down to the 20s, but a little bit of a warm up for tomorrow. And I hope you get a chance to enjoy it because from there it gets colder as we head into the weekend. So upper 40s, maybe some low 50s in parts of southeast Kansas. Then rain moving in as we head into Friday, and we're still looking at that changing over to snow, possibly even during the afternoon on Friday. But I'm really thinking it's probably going to happen during the evening hours as temperatures cool, and it will be cold through the weekend. As I mentioned, highs only in the 30s. We are still clear across much of the four states, just some high thin clouds, but we're watching a system out to the west of us. It's going to be tracking across the southwestern U.S. and start to move northward. Now, it's not going to bring a whole lot of cold air with it, but we will have that cold air already in place as we head into Friday. Plus, a lot of moisture for this to work with. A lot of it will be bringing from the Pacific, but as it gets closer, it taps into the Gulf of Mexico. So plenty of moisture for this to work with as we head through Friday. I think we're going to see a decent rain out of this too. As we head into tomorrow, though, we're just looking at a few clouds increasing as we get into the afternoon. That low still out to the west of us, but notice the showers really starting to pick up here as we head into Friday morning along the Red River Valley to the south of us across southern parts of Oklahoma. We'll zoom in on this area here to show you that it's not only going to be rain, but we could see a changeover or a mix with some wintry weather, meaning maybe some sleet possibly with this. As far as road conditions, I don't think this is going to be an issue because the roads are still going to be very warm as we head into Friday. Road temperatures right now are running between 40 and 50 degrees, so a lot of this will melt, but it may look like it's wintry outside during the daytime, and especially as we get into Friday night. This is Friday after midnight, early Saturday morning. Still looking at this changing over and mixing with some snow. Accumulations are definitely likely as we get into the nighttime. It looks like it's going to be minor and maybe confined to just the grassy surfaces. This would be a worst case scenario. I'm really thinking most of the snow is going to melt on contact, so even though we might see 3 inches of snow falling, a lot of it's not going to stick around very long at all. And that's because temperatures are just going to be too warm for that. Lower 40s though from Pittsburgh back through Joplin right now. Low 40s also on Grand Lake into northeast Oklahoma. We do have mostly clear skies though. This is the Buffalo Run Casino and Resort camera right now along I-44. Right now just getting towards sunset, but you do see clear skies out here. It's 44, still a light northwest wind, and that's bringing in that colder weather for tonight. In Diamond, it's 43, a northwest wind at 10 miles an hour, but we do have plenty of sunshine out there. Upper 40s for tomorrow for highs for many of us. About 50 though, Grand Lake and back towards Coffeyville around 50 as well. Into the weekend, temperatures staying cool, 39 for a high on Friday, but notice lows Friday night into Saturday barely get below freezing, and that's the reason I'm not thinking we're going to see a whole lot of snow still on the ground when you wake up Saturday. A lot of that will be gone as it changes over to rain again.